You may have heard the rumours that Royal Caribbean have been looking at establishing a South Pacific version of their Perfect Day at Coco Bay
Yep.
Here
in the South Pacific.
In the South Pacific. And we have heard today, that yesterday, staff from the ship were actually out and about and at Lelepa, the island.
Taken over there
to do
have a look at the construction that is already underway.
So things are starting to happen. They were over there doing familiarizations, looking at how the local guides might set up different tours on the island as well, and all this sort of thing. So Lelepa is happening.
Very exciting.
Very exciting.